It is really coming down. The rain is coming under my tarp. Oh, this sucks. How's it going, folks? Today, we're coming to a beautiful quarry in northern Ontario. We're gonna do some cliff diving, we're gonna do some swimming, hang out with some friends, and should be a good time. Let's get it. We are currently on our way to the quarry. Possibly camp out 30 more minutes. We'll be there. A 22-minute hike. Let's get it. We are currently walking down a highway to the quarry right now. Another kilometer to go. Heel stir. Dude. How's the heel stir? What's the police report?
All clear so far.
Yeah. Like, I don't want to walk. I don't like this walk. I don't want to go back to my car, then drive, then find another campsite. So I think we're gonna find somewhere around here.
Oh, you're golden for sure.
I'm thinking I want to camp along that river you always talk about.
I'm hoping the cops come at 6. If they don't, it doesn't matter. Me and you know this place. Have contact
you know all
with me while we're
the
here.
back trails.
Yeah, you're fine. The one night there was a guy on a dirt bike, and when he pulled his patch, he was caught.
What the hell?
Yeah.
I guess the owner here is trying to block the trails down to the cliffs here by cutting down a bunch of trees. It looks different, man. Beautiful. Then some jumps. Currently on our way to a different quarry nearby, the Blue Lagoon. We're gonna go check it out, maybe swim for a bit, and then we gotta look for a campsite because it's already 7.
Sick.
We're currently on our way to find a campsite. Oh, sick.
Like us.
That's beautiful.
They're just
though.
ripping
Dry pieces of wood.
everywhere. Yeah.
Anything about this stuff?
No.
What is that?
That's funny. That's like.
It looks like distilled salt. It is currently 8:37 at night and we finally got to our campsite. Time to set up camp. It's getting dark quick. Here's my hammock. Totally camo. It's nice color for stealth camping there. Not a bad site. Crazy beautiful view. Wow. Becky got a new hammock. Testing it out. It's like a normal hammock. See? We gotta go get firewood. We gotta start a fire. We got to this campsite a little bit late. It's a really cool campsite though. I've never camped anywhere like this. This is sick. I'm eating some dates, getting some energy, go get some firewood. Gonna start a fire. Got some wax, paper and wax bundle thing here. And we're good to go. Alright, so it's gonna rain tonight, like 3 a.m. And I'm not liking this site for tarp shelters. So we're gonna pack up, head up over to a different forest. I feel like we'll be a lot more comfortable there than here. And it smells like dead animals here. It's not a good vibe. We're gonna go find the campsite now. Poison ivy, just watch out for it. Alright, this is my old stomping grounds here. You see that's my old fire pit. I'm gonna set up our hammocks, that tree to that tree. That tree to that tree, and we're gonna set up our tarps because tonight it's gonna rain, so we had to come here. Oh, I'm sweating. Wow. My ankle hurts. Do this again. One strike. I'm gonna tap my tarp shelter because it's gonna rain. It's gonna downpour tonight. 2 taut lines. Loose line, tarp, toggles, and the tire down, sturdy her up. It's looking pretty snazzy. That's weird. I've never seen anything like this though. Log just leaning. That does not look reliable in high winds, but
we're in the bush. No high winds here.
Cool. Anyway, that's cool. Tying the ends of my tarp out right now. Maybe to this tree, if I could see. Good old overhand. 2 more to go. Like that. There? Maybe I'll put my head over there then. So I'll put this side down then. Couple overhands. We're gonna cook up some sausages right now. You could handle a downpour now. Some rice here. We have sausage and some rice for dinner. Oh, that's hot. Well, oh, let that chill out for a bit. We're just relaxing by the fire. We're hearing a lot of coyote action out here. Beautiful sounds to fall asleep to. Very nice. Hopefully I have a good sleep in the hammy. I'm very protected from the rain. Why, thank you. For bed? It's about 1:26 a.m. right now. Gonna go to bed soon. Just fine tuning our sleeping shelters here, our tarps, because we're expecting rain tonight, and we're gonna go to bed. It is really coming down. Wow. It's coming in on an angle. Holy crap. The wind is picking up. It is getting real windy and real rainy. The rain is coming under my tarp. Oh, this sucks. It's getting cold all of a sudden. This is a lot more rain than I thought. Looks like we're caught in a thunderstorm. Mist is whipping through on an angle. Hopefully this calms down soon. Some pretty good thunder and lightning happening here. I wish I had a sleeping bag now. Good morning. Gotta get out of the sleeping bag, make some breakfast. Got a bit of wax paper, fire starter here. A little bit of instant coffee. Gonna eat something, finish taking down this campsite, and then begin the 2+ K hike back to the car. Nice view in that direction of these old trees. Pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Was that recording?
No?
Oh. It's still at 60.
Clean up the environment. Alright, well that was a fun little one-night backpacking trip at the quarry. Fun time. Now we're on our way home. That's going to be it.